What is MongoDB database? MongoDB is one of the most popular NoSQL databases used worldwide, especially in modern web and mobile app development. But what exactly is MongoDB and why is it so widely used? MongoDB is a document-oriented database, which means instead of storing data in tables and rows like traditional relational databases such as MySQL or PostgreSQL, it stores data in flexible, JSON-like documents called BSON, binary JSON. This flexible schema design allows developers to store complex data structures and evolve the database over time without worrying about strict table structures or complex joins. One of the biggest advantages of MongoDB is its scalability and high performance, especially when handling large volumes of unstructured or semi-structured data. MongoDB's distributed architecture allows it to scale horizontally by sharding data across multiple servers, making it suitable for applications that require high availability and big data processing. MongoDB also offers rich querying capabilities, indexing, and aggregation frameworks, allowing you to perform complex queries and analytics directly within the database. This makes MongoDB a great choice for building real-time analytics platforms, content management systems, IoT applications, and more. Another reason MongoDB is loved by developers is its ease of use and integration with popular programming languages like JavaScript, Python, Java, and many others. Its close integration with Node.js makes it a natural choice for full-stack JavaScript development with the MERN stack, MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js. The flexible document model means you can store related data together in one document, reducing the need for expensive join operations and improving query performance. In addition, MongoDB supports powerful features like replication for fault tolerance, flexible schema design for rapid development, and a rich ecosystem including tools like MongoDB Atlas, cloud-hosted DB, Compass, GUI for database management, and Realm, mobile database and sync. For beginners, learning MongoDB is a great way to get into NoSQL databases and modern application development. The query language is intuitive and based on JSON, making it easy for developers to understand and use. Popular cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud provide managed MongoDB services, so you can focus more on your app development rather than database maintenance. If you're interested in building scalable, flexible applications that can handle huge amounts of data, MongoDB is definitely worth learning. To get started, you should first understand the basics of databases, data modeling, and how NoSQL differs from SQL. Then explore MongoDB's core concepts: documents, collections, CRUD operations, indexing, and aggregation. For practical learning, try building simple projects such as blogs, e-commerce stores, or social media apps using the MERN stack. If you want structured guidance, check out www.skillcareer.in, where we offer comprehensive courses, real-world projects, and expert mentorship to help you master MongoDB and other modern technologies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more tech tutorials. In upcoming videos, we'll dive into advanced MongoDB topics like data replication, sharding, performance optimization, and integration with other tools. Start your database journey with MongoDB today and build applications that are scalable, fast, and future-ready.